Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok videos private. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok and click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to settings and privacy. And if you scroll down, you should see Activity Center. So you want to click on that. Then you should see near the bottom, Manage Post Visibility. So you want to click on that. And this will bring up all your videos. You can obviously change it to everyone and friends as well, on different categories, and only you on there as well. So obviously to make all these private, just tap on each one. And all the videos that you want to make private, you can obviously go through them all if you want to do so. And once you're happy with that, just select next. Then it'll give you three options. So you can either have it on as everyone, friends, or only you. Obviously only you will make it private. Then just select update. And that's how you can make your TikTok videos private. Thanks for watching.